And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to add a gradient to text. Let me start with the blank canvas. It's just white. It's called background, and I'll add text with the text tool right here. Color doesn't really matter, but later on I want to have maybe like an orange gradient. So let me add a color like this, and I increase the size. Let me go to around 300 pixels. I put it somewhat in center. And then we're good to start with the actual effect. Right click on your text layer and click on Alpha to Selection, which is going to select your text. Then go to Select, click on Grow, and add a pixel of selection so we can get outlines covered. So it's going to grow it by 1 pixel. Now add a new layer. I'll call it just gradient text, and I'll make sure that it's transparent. It's on top of my text layer, and I'll make that invisible. Make sure that your gradient text layer is active, and now use the gradient tool. You'll find it right here where the bucket fill tool is. You can also press the short key G for it. You've got this drop down right here to select colors, and foreground and background color are defined up here. If you left click and go upwards, I hold Ctrl what I do to have the straight line. You get this menu, and you can adjust the colors right here once more. Let me set it to some orange color so that we just have a quick example. In this case, you can see that the top point is the transparent point and the bottom point is the orange point, so you can also just flip it. So now the bottom point is the transparent point and the top one is the colored. Once again, you can also select different presets right here with the drop down. There are a couple to choose from by default in Gimp. When you've got what you want, just go to Select and None. And that's already it. So this was the before text, and this is the one with the gradient. If you want to have a gradient that has 2 colors and not a transparent point, go back to this step via pressing Ctrl Z and then pick a different preset. For example, this one. And you can left click on these 2 points and change the color. For example, you want to have a rainbow gradient, or you just start with 2 colors right here by using this blue turquoise gradient, and then you can adjust the colors once more in this top menu right here. And afterwards always go to Select and None, and then you have your text with the gradient created in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.